Hey guys, Facebook, YouTube, Ryan here, Grout Cleaning. We're at it again. This is the tile and grout job I told you guys about in the last video. Let's take a look. So we're doing this foyer, that bathroom, and the carpets look great. We just did these carpets last week. Man, it's always nice to look and see what the work we did previously. And then this bathroom, and you can see they moved everything out. Again, we don't move furniture, they move all the furniture for us. And this area, this kitchen, to see how that is just all that soil. We're gonna remove all that to make it look white again, kind of like what it's supposed to look like under there. So, and then this laundry room area. All right guys, stay tuned for some results. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, check it out. They did move their hutch. Look what's happening underneath here, guys. This is what the grout's supposed to look like, believe it or not. It's not supposed to be black. How many of you guys out there have black grout and think it's supposed to look like that? Nope. Like this. Tip of the day, guys. All right, Facebook, YouTube. I'm cleaning it now. Check it out. Look at that, guys. Give me a closer look for you. Check that out. This is what your tile is supposed to look like. Do you guys notice your grout is black? In the kitchen area, bathroom, laundry room, etc. Dining room. 9 times out of 10, it's supposed to be white. Look at that. Look at that. You should typically do this every couple years. Now, most times your grout is not sealed. Most contractors do not seal your grout. So we seal it after we're done. And that should extend the life of your floors. And typically speaking, every 2 to 3 years, you should get your tile and grout cleaned. It makes mopping easier. And because your grout is porous, it's actually really vulnerable to dirt and debris. That's what all that stuff is, guys. You see right, all that just goes up in those pores. So, right now what we're doing is we're just at about 1,000 pounds of pressure, 220 degrees. And with our cleaning agents, we can remove it. Wow, look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. Make it look like new again. If you haven't had the service done, reach out to us, give us a call, we'll get you on our schedule. Take care of you. We know floors. We know when we love them. We can save them. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. We just did their carpets last week and we came back to their tile. And now you can see why. Beautiful. All right, guys. Stay tuned for some more results. Thanks for watching. Wow. All right, guys, here are the results. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's white again. Show you these other areas. Check it out. They're gonna absolutely love it. Again, we cleaned it. Remember, grout is porous. It traps in all kinds of soil, and mopping alone won't remove it. You have to use our state-of-the-art equipment and chemistry methods. Look at that, guys. Wow. I'm still amazed sometimes after I get done, just the difference it makes. Remember how it was all black through here? Not anymore. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, one more tip. If you want to know if your grout is sealed, here's a nice little trick to determine that. Take some water and put it on your grout, and if it soaks in, that means it's not sealed, okay? You need to get it sealed. But if it beads up, that means it's protected. So we offer a cleaning of your tile, and we can also offer a sealant. So 9 times out of 10, we do a clean and seal, where we can seal it. That way it doesn't attract residue, and the dirt stays on top of the surface instead of soaking into the grout, because the grout is porous. So again, if you want to know if your grout's sealed or not, do a little test, put a little water down on it, and if it soaks in, it's unsealed. If it doesn't, if it stays on top, then that means it's sealed. So typically you're doing the service every 2 to 3 years, and then we'll reapply your protection, and it makes mopping easier. Now, with that said, the kind of mopping that you want to use in terms of chemistry is you want to use a neutral cleaner or a tile and grout cleaner. You can get it at your local Home Depot or a Lowe's or whatever your hardware store is in your area. But I highly recommend either a tile and grout cleaner or use a neutral cleaner, because neutral cleaner is going to neutralize your floors and not attract residue. So hope that added value to you, and hope that gave you some nice little peace of mind knowing how to maintain your floors. And again, if you're local, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you get your tile up to par and get it restored and looking like new again. This goes for maintaining or just general cleaning, or if you're selling your home or buying a home, it's always a good idea to get that done, or just get ready for the holidays. So hope that added value to you guys. I mean, just wow, guys, look at that. It's white again. And again, this is just another value service that we offer. Again, we specialize in carpet, tile, upholstery, hardwood, any flooring. Basically, we can clean, maintain, or restore, as well as duct and vent cleaning. So that's what we do, guys. We love it. We know them. In fact, our hardwood team is on a job right now sanding some floors out and re-protecting them. And I'm here doing this video for you guys. So again, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit the bell, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for added value tips and techniques for you and your home, because your biggest investment in your home is your flooring. So, and if you're local, reach out and give us a call. We're happy to serve you. And if you're not, still subscribe, and I'm sure this could be a blessing to you and add value to you and your home and loved ones. So again, thanks so much for your loyalty and support. Hope you guys have a great day, and see you next one. Also, guys, I also give these to my clients. Talks about all different services that we offer, and as you can see, there's tile that we do, and we take pride in it, guys. We also do rugs, Oriental rugs as well, and yeah, that's what we offer. So we offer this to the clients, and also a price list for everybody to enjoy overall. We also offer our own spotters too. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.